Hello friends, welcome back to the mini video guys and my YouTube channel. Today friend we are going to talk about guys Oppo phone brightness setting, and today video title is guys how to disable auto brightness mode setting in our Oppo phone device. Friends, you want to disable your auto brightness setting, and friends you want to solve guys your brightness problem. So how can you solve it? Today I will show you in this video guys. So before starting video friends, first of all go and subscribe the channel guys. Click the bell icon, like the video. Open your phone setting guys first of all. After on phone setting, guys, scroll it and guys click on guys your display and brightness setting. Guys, tap here. Then guys again scroll friends. You can see guys your auto brightness setting. Guys, you want to disable, you don't want to use, so guys you can disable. After disable, guys, you can increase your brightness, guys, without any problem, guys. Guys, your brightness will not decrease automatic, guys. You can check. So like that, guys, we can disable auto brightness setting in oppo phone device. So that's it guys, thanks for watching the video guys. I hope friends you have understood how to disable auto brightness setting in oppo phone. So bye bye friends, thanks for watching the video. Before going, please go and like the video.